Now it's time for our hashtag AskAnne portion where we answer listener questions. So if my question ka, post it on socials or in our private Act to Achieve PH Facebook group and use the hashtag AskAnne. And you might be the next question we're answering in the next episode. So for this episode, our question would be from Lara. What advice do you have for someone who feels like they've been stuck and doesn't know where to start in pursuing their life goals? So, unang-una, good job sa'yo kasi meron ka ng life goals. Next, i-list down mo sa paper, sa notes, sa phone mo, ano yung mga triggers kung bakit feeling mo stuck ka. Sa work ba yan? Meron tayong dalawang factors. It can be an external factor or an internal factor. So, external factor, halimbawa yung sinabi ko kanina sa work ba yan, merong na-promote at hindi ikaw, ma-feel mo, ako stuck. Kasi hindi ako na-promote. Meron ka bang friend, family, na may bagong bahay, bagong kotse, na ikaw hindi mo na-achieve right now, so you feel stuck? So, identify that. Kung external, don't let it get in your head. Don't compare yourself and your timeline to the timeline of others because you have your own goals. You have to align and remember that, di ba? Yung goals mo might not be the same goals as theirs and you have your own time to achieve those. Kung internal yan, internal meaning wala kang motivation, hirap ka mag-focus, or hindi mo sure yung mga questions mo around the goals that you've set, hindi mo sure kung yung mga goals na sinet mo ay tama ba, then go back to your goal setting. Try to implement the actionable advice that we had today in this episode to visualize and identify your North Star. I hope makatulong siya and I hope that it would give you a boost of excitement and motivation to start doing something towards your goal. Makatulong siya for you to be unstuck. I hope that helps, Lara, and for all the others who are facing the same challenge.